Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yeah,
All right, y'all. Buckle up because this one starts calm, but turns sideways real quick. We've got a dad who actually walked into court to put himself on child support. And you already know that doesn't happen every day. But the real twist? Mom didn't even bother showing up, and that tells you everything about how chaotic this situation is. The judge is trying to keep things professional, but you can feel the emotional tension rising the second he starts describing how messy things are at home. From money drama to weekend conflicts to she's on the streets claims, this whole case is about to hit every emotional button. Stay locked in. This gets spicy fast, and trust me, you won't guess the ending.
I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibility.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in and, well, guys in particular, come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and Mom? Have y'all ever been married?
Right here, you can see the energy shift immediately. He walks in talking about wanting to make sure his son gets what he needs, but the first thing he brings up is Mom missing court. That frustration is sitting right under the surface. He's acting cool, but the disappointment is loud. The judge catches that vibe instantly, listening closely while also noticing all the things he's not saying. This isn't just about child support. This is about a lot of unresolved emotion. And the more he talks, the more it feels like this hearing is his last resort. But it makes you wonder, is he really here for the kid, or is this about proving a point?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be where other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money,
Okay.
yeah, so that's why
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
And now the mask cracks a little. When he says she chose to be in the streets, that's not a location. That's a whole emotional statement. He's trying to say it respectfully, but there's a lot of pain behind those words. The judge pushes him to explain, and suddenly he's dancing around the truth. Partying, instability, and zero communication outside of money. This whole relationship is held together with tension and last-minute decisions. The judge sees all of this instantly. The broken communication, the resentment, the confusion. And you have to ask, is he trying to create stability, or is he just tired of feeling ignored?
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in, so I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
This is where the pressure hits. He goes from emotional frustration to straight-up survival mode. I can't take a major hit. I have to take care of myself too. You can hear the fear now. Arena football money isn't life-changing, and child support math shows no mercy. The judge breaks it down cold and clean. Support is based on numbers, not sympathy, not strings, not positions. And he realizes right here that walking into court voluntarily doesn't mean he gets a discount. You can see the stress creeping in as the reality sets in. Makes you wonder, is this responsibility talking or panic slipping through?
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120, okay. And let me see. Turn in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance. Okay. So based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470.
Now this part is classic. He tries to shave $10 off his health insurance amount like the judge wasn't going to catch it. She spots it instantly and checks him with paperwork receipts. It's not rude, it's just precise. That moment shows exactly who she is. Sharp, fair, and not letting a single number slide. She still gives him credit for carrying the insurance, but she also makes it clear the math is the math, and it doesn't bend just because the other parent isn't present. And you can almost feel him thinking, man, I should have just said 130. So the real question becomes, is he learning the system or getting overwhelmed by it?
Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama? No. That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
And then comes the curveball. The man somehow goes from a child support hearing to low-key shooting his shot at the judge. She shuts it down with professional speed, but the awkwardness hangs in the air like a fire alarm. This case had everything: tension, honesty, stress, humor, and a judge refusing to let anything distract from the law. In the end, it shows one thing clearly: accountability doesn't care about ego, and emotions don't rewrite math. If this one hit you like it hit me, drop a comment and subscribe for more real courtroom moments we break down every week.